Why should you rip up your recipe cards and upgrade your kitchen tech? Let's find out. At Cali BBQ, we believe in staying curious and always leveling up. That's why we're upgrading our kitchen playbook to Meez.
So what did we get?
Meez is how modern kitchens manage food costs, track recipes, and train teams faster and smarter. Come on in, let's check it out.
Weight Trainer helped us for years. It was a fantastic solution 10 plus years ago, but that's when everything stopped. Meez is built for the precision and the speed that we need today.
Paper recipes, inconsistent. Updating, total mess. It hurt us more than it really helped us. And with Meez, we're ready to take it to the moon.
Meez is absolutely amazing. It gives us real-time updates, visual clarity with pictures, and integrated cost tracking. It's a tool that actually works for everybody. Financial people, chef, managers, and most importantly, our people in the trenches.
And here's Meez in action.
I love this desktop. I love the way it's organized. It's visually very clear. You can sort out by name, by the type, by the last time it was modified. Amazing.
Yeah, it looks the same on the desktop as it does on like an iPad or a phone, which is great because when you want to sit down at the desk and actually input the recipes, it makes it a lot easier.
Yeah.
It's the same intuitive design.
Hit the nail on the head. It is so intuitive. You can just sit down and figure your way through it in just seconds.
And one of the best things about Meez is that we use R365 for like all of our accounting and everything. So we have to enter invoices through that, and they pull everything, all our items, all our purchase items, straight from R365, straight into Meez. So we don't have to re-enter all that stuff. Because
so
I mean, you've done all that with the invoices. It's terrible.
Yeah. So once you enter your invoice, you get that updated cost.
Correct.
Right away.
The other great things is they have the portion scaling for your batch size. It's easy to just, you click one button and you go from a small batch size to a big batch size for all catering orders, if it's not as busy of a day and all that, so.
Yep, I've seen a lot of these in the past, and this is by far the best I've seen.
If you run a restaurant and you want to modernize your kitchen systems, check out Meez. It's how we went from paper chaos to digital clarity.